Now, it's very important, if you're like me, you only like to use natural cleaners and you like to keep a non-toxic home. Well, the coronavirus doesn't care, and most of the natural cleaners are not going to kill the coronavirus, unfortunately. My go-to spray cleaner is something I make myself with water, distilled white vinegar, and vodka. Nothing in there is going to kill the coronavirus. Vodka, even straight vodka, is not going to kill the coronavirus because it just doesn't have a high enough alcohol content. You need 60% isopropyl alcohol or bleach or ammonia or the kind of really strong cleaners that it's my preference not to have in the house. But these are not normal times, and it's very important to recognize that this is an interruption to our preferred way of doing things. I have a preferred way of cleaning my house with things that are non-toxic. I have a preferred way of using essential oils to clean things and relying on these natural remedies, but it's not relevant. What's relevant now is disinfecting your surfaces and actually stopping the virus from coming into your home. So yes, isopropyl alcohol smells bad, bleach smells bad, I don't want to use it, but when it's important to disinfect something, remember, you really don't know if your natural cleaner is going to clean it. And in my case, I know for sure that mine isn't going to. Something like tea tree oil, cinnamon oil, lemon peel oil, they probably do clean it. I mean, tea tree oil, rosemary oil have massive antimicrobial powers, massive antiviral powers. But if you have no way of being sure, this is not the appropriate time to be taking that chance. And we'll just have to do the best we can to remove any residue after it's sat long enough to be effective. So I really want to tell people that this is a disruption that is going to require us to go back to those older ways of cleaning that we really didn't like. And remember, it's not forever.